Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Wildewood local and long-distance movers near me. Regarding local moving in Wildewood, 3 movers knows the city like the back of their hand. Their Wildewood local TM movers understands the unique requirements of moving within the city and can efficiently navigate through its charming neighborhoods. With 3 movers, you can experience a hassle-free moving process as they handle everything from meticulously packing your cherished belongings securely to safely transporting them to your new address. Their attention to detail ensures that each item is carefully wrapped and protected, giving you peace of mind throughout the journey. Take some time off to explore Wildewood's beautiful spots, such as the picturesque Wildewood Park and the serene Greenwell State Park. In contrast, 3 Movers takes care of every intricate aspect of your move with expertise and precision. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Wildewood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.